Hello everyone, I'm Lila. Welcome to my dreamland. About the street light, last time we stopped here, so today we're gonna continue to make the street light. So before we start in the next step, first I'm gonna end some doom on this end of this circle. Also, I'm gonna rolling back. So click here and rolling back to the sweep. Only this one left. So see there's end point here. We can end a small decoration here. So click the doom and click this face and make the doom direction is 0.3 millimeter. It's like this, and the green check. Okay, now roll down to the mirror one. Click here and edit feature, and the feature to mirror here. Also select the doom and the green check. Also, okay, now roll down. All of them have the doom now. Okay, now we make the first step. We're making the supporting frame for the bottom smaller lights. Select the plane one we made before and make a sketch. This is the path. Okay, now I'm gonna use the 3-point arc again. Draw some 3-point arc. This one. Drop another one. And this is this way. A little bit, and now another one. Okay, another one. Okay, I'm gonna adjust the position later. Okay, this one is another one here. I don't want to give them relations, it's just the 3-point arc. There's another one point inside. Like this. Okay, I give some dimension. So this one hold the control, and this one make them tangent, and this one tangent. Okay, so now drag this a little bit. Just position this a little bit, and this one hold the control. Select this one, make the tangent. This one is too big. Make smaller. Make smaller. You can drag all these curve arcs, make them the way you like. Make them just the position to the way you like. I want this line on this curve a little bit connected to this center pole, but not connected to the up decorating frame. I don't want them connected. So maybe a little way, part away from each other like this. Okay, so this part. Good, any other relation? So this one and hold control. This one, make them tangent. And this one hold control, this one tangent, and this one hold control, this one tangent. Okay, now I can position this. I want to make this part, the upper part, a little bit smaller. Now it's too big. Ooh. Let's go inside a little bit. Okay, let's see if this lens. Okay, since this lens is okay, I want this lens. Okay, now let's check if this. I'm gonna use the line to draw a small line cut off on this arc, and then click here, and then click this and hold the control, select this, make them tangent, and then trim this off, trim this arc off. Also the same with this one. So draw a small line like this, and then select this one and hold the control this one, make them tangent, and trim this small one off, and give the smart dimension. The length of this small line is 0.2 millimeter. Length of this is also 0.2 millimeter. 0.2 millimeter. Okay, and then select. And I want to make it a little bit curly. You can adjust the position and make it curly. Okay, and this part also, I want to make the curve more. It's a position like this. Okay, I'm gonna keep it in this way. I'm gonna adjust this position later. So now we're gonna exit the sketch here. I'm gonna slowly click this twice. I'm gonna name it like the pass bottom. This is the bottom light bulb. Okay, now I'm gonna add another reference plane. So select the reference plane here. First is the reference is this one, and make them perpendicular. And the second is past this end. So green check. Now this plane will make a sketch. Just rotate in the way you like. Okay, I'll draw a small circle and give the dimension. The diameter is 1 millimeter, and this bottom supporting frame is thinner than the thicker than the upper one, because the upper framing is just for decoration, but this one is for supporting. So, and select the pass and make them pierce. Let me check. Let's see if this works. Okay, now exit the sketch and slowly click twice. Name it profile bottom. Okay, we can use the swipe again, the profile and the pass. Okay, seems to work. And the green check. Okay, see here they kind of touch each other, so we need to go back to the pass and edit the sketch. Don't want them touch each other, so make this part bigger and make these two apart from each other. Also don't want them to touch. So move this down a little bit. Let's see if it's working in this way. Okay, now exit the sketch. Still need to adjust this. Pass, edit the sketch. Normal 2. This time seems better, so exit the sketch. Still a little bit touching each other, so we add this again, a little bit down. Don't want the upper part touch each other. Okay, exit the sketch. Okay, now they're separated. I don't want them to touch each other. Okay, now just leave like this. Okay, I'm going to use the select the doom again. So this surface, I make it this time is 0.5 millimeter. First one, and this one here is also is 0.5. So for the swipe, I want to change the path a little bit more. So this part seems it's not that beautiful. Can make it beautiful. This seems nice. So, let me check. Okay, this seems better. Okay, now we're gonna make the revolve. Okay, now the sweep is done. This supporting frame is done. We're gonna make the smaller bulb on this supporting frame. So we can always select the plane one first, and this time select the revolve base again. Okay, this time draw based on this supporting frame. So I'm gonna use the center line again. See if you put the mouse here, you can see the circle here, the center here. So I want to use this as the reference. Draw a vertical center line. It's black. It's fully defined. And then we're gonna draw the base for this. Draw a line for this supporting for the smaller light bulb, and the shaping. And now we're gonna shaping this. So this. Gonna escape and select the line tool again, drop on the top, the horizontal one. Gonna draw like this. Okay, I'm gonna use the 3-point arc again. Draw the 3-point arc here like this. Okay. Basically the frame is like this. I will give the smart dimension. So the distance of this is 2 millimeter, and the length of this is 5 millimeter. And select this one, hold the control, select this one, make them tangent. So this one is okay. You can select this one and hold control, select this one, make them vertical. I can adjust this. Just this. Okay, and then move this up a little bit. I want the result to merge together, so I wanted this this supporting frame is is kind of a little bit inside this supporting frame, so leave it like this. Okay, I only want to fix this direction and this direction. All the others is okay. So exit the sketch and revolve like this. Check. Now the supporting frame is diameter is 10 millimeter. And now we select the top face of this and make the extrude base for the supporting light. So this one, and I'm gonna use the offset entity. This is 0.5 millimeter and a reverse point inside and a green check, and then exit the sketch. I will make the cylinder point up and depth is 20 millimeter. Okay, like this, it's 20 millimeter. And now go and check. Okay, now slowly double click this twice. Rename it light bulb bottom or smaller. Okay. Now we can change the color of this to make it easy to check. Also this one. Okay. Or we can make this transparency, change transparency. Okay, I'm gonna make the bottoms supporting frame for this light bulb. So select this face and do the extrude base. I'm gonna use the convert entity. Make a ring circle. So click this one. Go and check. Convert entity again. So this time use this one and go and check. Okay, now the sketch is done, and it's just escape the sketch, and the depth of this is 0.5 millimeter, and I'm going to check. Okay, this is the supporting frame, part of the supporting frame for this light bulb. And now we're gonna make the revolve the top and the decoration for this light bulb, and also the plain one, and the revolve. Draw a center line from the midpoint of this top edge, like this. And now I'm gonna draw like the from this point, draw the decoration. This is okay. I'll draw another line. I'm gonna use the center point arc. Center point arc, and draw center point. Half circle here, and I can use the 3-point arc. Draw the 3-point arc. One end point is on the half circle, and then draw another 3-point arc. Standpoint this way. Okay, another one, and then the other part is connected to this one. Okay, select. Gonna trim this off. Right. On this one, hold the control. Select this one, tangent. Like this. I want to fix the height of this. I want this is like 6 millimeter, and the length of this I want to make 5 millimeter. Okay, and I need to adjust the position of this again. Okay, make it like this. And then I'm gonna exit the sketch. Revolve like this. This is the top. Okay, this is the part of the. This is part of the light. We're gonna mirror this. So select the mirror, and this time first we're gonna select the front plane. And then lastly, we're gonna select from the not that one, from this one, and the doom also, and the revolve. Also, let's see. Check. Okay. Now select the mirror again, and this time is the right plane, and we're gonna select the mirror 3. And check. Okay, almost done. Now this is the four of the small light we mirrored about, so you can see like this. See like this. Okay, now we're gonna make some features on the face of the cylinder or the smaller light bulb. First we're gonna end another reference plane. The plane one we made. Now we show this plane, and the plane 3, all the other plane we hide them. 2 and 3 we hide them. Now we end another one. So select the reference plane, open the reference plane, and this time we make another one perpendicular to that one. So we're gonna select these 2 edge. So first this edge, and the second reference is this edge. Check. Okay, now the new plane, plane 4 and the plane 1, they're just they're perpendicular. We're gonna use the plane 1 first, so hide the plane 4. Use the plane 1, click the plane 1, and then click the wrap here. Now I'm gonna draw some features on this plane 1, and then wrapped on the surface of the cylinder. First, we use the center line, connected the 2 midpoint of the center line of the top and the bottom line. So this is the reference center line we got, and then we're gonna select the center rectangle. Draw a rectangle like this. Draw a rectangle and connect it to this line. Draw a rectangle like this. Okay. And then we use the center line to start from the center line, draw to the bottom line here. This is another reference line, and select and draw the other half of it. This is vertical. Okay. The yellow is kind of hard to look at. We can change the transparency. You can delete the appearance of this. Select light bulb. Click here, light bulb. Remove all part appearance. So from now on, we just remove them. It's easy for us to. It's easy for our eyes. Now remove all this appearance. I'm gonna use the line to draw something like this. Connect it to the bottom like this, and use the mirror entity, mirror to delete, mirror this one, and then the bottom one, mirror to is this one. Okay, then check, adjust the position of this. Okay, now use the line to draw the line connected like this. Okay, now I'm gonna use the mirror tool again. Mirror this one to the other part, to the other side, and then select this line. Hold Control, select this line, make them for construction. So they're for construction, and then trim off the inner line. Do not need them anymore. Okay. Now I used draw a center circle like this. Okay. Select the center point again. Select the midpoint of this and the midpoint of this edge, and select and click this point and this edge. Make them coincident. Okay. Now I want to give the smart dimension of this length here. This length I want is pi divided 2. Now adjust the position of this. Just the line, draw a sketch like this, a small sketch. Normal to draw a small sketch like this, just the size of this with the whole surface of the cylinder. Not gonna just a little bit. So I want to give a smart dimension. So all the lengths I want fix is this 2 point distance between the 2 point. I want distance is pi divided 2 and enter. And I want to fix this distance. And we can adjust the other part. Okay, I'm gonna make the feature like this. Now make the linear pattern of this sketch of this feature. So the feature of this, the length of this is fixed, is pi divided 2, and the x row is point right, and distance of this is 9 times pi divided 16. Number of this is 8. And the feature, we select the edge of this sketch we made. This circle. Check it. Okay, this is 8. Seems okay. This is okay. Green check. Okay. Now we select the linear pattern, linear sketch pattern again. This time we want to point left, so click here. And distance is also 9 times pi divided 16. This time the number is 9 because I always include the original one. So green check. This is 9. And then okay, that's just 16 of them. So we're gonna make another one on the top of this. So also we use the line, draw a triangle from this point. Draw a triangle. Try not to give them dimension. Only draw a triangle like this. And click the middle point here. Okay, select, and at this point hold Control and select this one and make them vertical. Okay, now I want to fix the distance of this. So the distance of this edge is also pi divided 2. Enter. Okay, now I use the offset entity. Distance is 0.2 and the point inside. Offset entity and the reverse inside. Green check. Okay. Now it's similar. I'm gonna do the linear sketch pattern X row, and this is the 9 times pi divided 16. Number of this is 8, and the feature is this feature. Check if everything is done. Okay. Green check. And another time linear sketch pattern, and this time point left. Distance is 9 times pi divided 16. The number of here is 9. Here. Okay, and a green check. Okay, now this is sketch. You can fully define or you can leave like this. I just want to leave like this. So exit the sketch. Now here we want to emboss. The face we want to do the wrap is this face. Click the cylinder face, and then the depth of this I want to 0.5 mm, and then green check. Give it time because we need to calculate. Okay, see, we ended this wrap feature on this surface, cylinder surface of the bottom light bulb like this. You can check. Now because light bulb I make the transparency so you can see all of them. We cannot mirror this. So I tried, but we cannot mirror this. So we need to do this by hand. So the next one I'm gonna select the plane one also because I'm gonna do the wrap on this face, on this cylinder surface. Plate 1 and wrap. Okay. And also use the center line. Connect the two middle point like this and select and now remember the wrap here, so select wrap and the sketch, click the sketch and Control C. We copy it and then click anywhere else, Control V. another we copy the sketch from this cylinder surface wrap feature. Okay, now they also try to use the move entity, and everything is select move entity. I want to select this point move from this point. Okay, so now we can move it. Okay, slowly move it to and zoom in and make sure you put this point coincidence with this point and click. And now this is exactly like this one, and exit the sketch. And now also emboss and 0.5 millimeter and a grain check. Oh, I need to select the face, this cylinder face. Okay, and a grain check. Okay. Now remember now we hide the plane 1. We do not need this one. Remember last plane we make is the plane 4. We need this one. So this time we show this plane so we can see them. This plane we select this plane and wrap again. This time we're going to end on this 2 cylinder face. So select the center line again, the middle point of the center line of the 2 center line, like this, and select. Okay, and also the sketch, the original sketch, Control C, copy it. Also you can click Control V, just copy it here. You do not need. Okay, now move entity from this point, click this point. Okay, zoom in until you can see this point clearly, and make sure they coincident. Click like this. Okay, now exit the sketch. The surface is this cylinder surface. Green check. Okay, now the last one. So on plane 4, wrap feature. Okay. Use the center line, connected to the 2 middle point of the upper and the bottom edges, and the Control V, and then move the entity. Okay, now zoom in. We want to start from this point, so click this point. Okay, now we can move this and zoom in to this part. Zoom in and make sure this point is connected to this point. Okay, and now exit the sketch. And also emboss on this cylinder, distance is 0.5 millimeter, and the green check. Okay, now let's hide the plane 4. Now change the transparency of the first one. At above, change the transparency. Okay, we're gonna roll back, select this one, and select this one and use the appearance. Give the appearance to this part. And select light above, and appearance to this light, also to this light, also to this one. Okay, now rolling back. That's the change. Okay, you can change them by hand. So select this and the pin on this wall. Set this face, hold the control, select this one and this one, and then change the color. Change them to this appearance, pin off. And about this one, and right click part 1. We make the color this one, black. We can make it shiny. And check. Okay. Okay, this is the straight line we made together. So seems a little bit difference from that one, but basically similar. Now we can rotate this a little bit and see. Oh, seems nice. Seems nice. Okay, now we finished the England style straight lights. Hope you like it, and thanks for watching. See you next time. Bye bye.